Pizza dough kolaches. Let's try it. Let's see if it works.
Yes, we did it. We made kolaches with pizza dough. I can't wait for Bobby to show y'all what he thinks about it.
Well, good.
This is the dough we're using today. And I have it out on the counter right here. Setting out, it says let's set for 1 to 2 hours. Here's our pizza dough that's been sitting out for about 2 hours. And this is just all-purpose flour. Let's put this dough on this flour. And before we start rolling this out, because this is pizza dough, right? We're making kolaches. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. It's regular granulated sugar. And another one. Now let's roll this out. I'm probably gonna have to cut it up for sure. I'm not gonna get thin enough. Let's do a little at a time. Let's go ahead and preheat our oven at 350 degrees. Actually, you know what? Let's go to 375. So I got this as thin as I can. This is American cheese slices. Okay, and then this is our already cooked sausage. Bobby requested that I do his with raw jalapeños. So I sliced up one. This is jalapeno and cheese sausage we made ourselves. But you know what? There's no such thing as too much jalapeno and cheese, especially for Bobby. So, putting that over here on parchment paper, and because I want to make sure that I know that's his, a toothpick's going in it. Let's just do a regular one. These are pickled jalapeños. This is just some leftover sausage we had from making chicken and sausage. I want to say gumbo, but I think it was actually a chicken and sausage étouffée. It's all cooked. It'll be fine. Now, when you do it this way, some of the cheese will come out the ends, and I'm totally fine with that. Doesn't bother me a bit. So I'm gonna make some of these without jalapeno so that everybody knows that there's jalapeno in here. And these ones, anyway, I'm gonna put a little piece of broken up jalapeno on there. Now this one, this meat does not have jalapeno in it. There's cheese in here. You gotta have cheese on a kolache, come on. Unless you're lactose intolerant, then I can't help you. This one's not gonna have any jalapeno. So it's just not gonna have that on it. Alright. We have egg wash. Oven's already preheated at 375 degrees. We're gonna egg wash these. In the oven they go. It's been cooking for about 11 minutes. I want to turn this tray. There we go. I'm gonna keep cooking.
Alright, yes, I expected cheese to come out. I told y'all that, right? That's okay. There's still cheese in there. Yumminess.
Do remember, these are still hot. So we're putting them over here to cool off. Yeah, we lost a little bit of cheese, but that's okay. They're still gonna taste fabulous.
Yes, we did it. We made kolaches with pizza dough. I can't wait for Bobby to show y'all what he thinks about it.
Bobby's gonna taste it for us.
You get to this one?
Big one, I don't care.
Don't eat the toothpick. It's good. That's a water buffalo sausage too.
Mm-hmm.
No, I picked it on purpose.
Are the jalapenos still crunchy?
Mm.
You eat that one. I got so with none of that.
That's good.
Great. Once these get to room temperature, I'm going to put them in containers, and they're going to be great for tomorrow. Everybody, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for hanging in and watching us tonight, and I hope you enjoyed this. Let us know if you try it. We love comments.